Dear students, welcome to Eenadu Epratibha portal. In this video, we will understand how to use our portal epratibha.net. The video contains the following points. First, the features that are available for the users who have not registered on our portal. These unregistered users may get access only to limited features of our portal, such as general knowledge and current affairs and career options. They can access our homepage and go through latest updates regarding government and private jobs, admissions, walk-ins, apprenticeship, etc. Now, let us see how to register on epratibha.net. To register, click the Sign Up option. This will take you to the registration page. Please fill in the required details. After filling in the details, click Register. Once you have registered, an OTP will be sent to your registered email ID as well as your phone number. Please enter the OTP and click Submit. Once you have signed up, you will be considered a registered user of epratibha.net. To log in, please use your email ID as your user ID. Click on Login. At the top right corner, you will be able to see your username. Click Dashboard to access the contents. Once you click on My Dashboard option, the landing page will look like this. Now let us see the features that are available for the users who have registered on our portal but not purchased any course on it. The registered users can have the access to use ePratibha free course and free test series as well as daily quizzes. Next, we have the discussion forum. This is the place where you can discuss the subject and interact with other users. We also have a doubt forum where you will be able to ask questions and clear any doubts with the admin or our staff, and they will quickly respond to you. Next, we will see how to purchase a course. Remember, we have free and paid courses available on our portal. In order to purchase a paid course, please click on the desired course and then click on View Details. You will see two options: Add to Cart and Buy Now. If you click on Add to Cart, it will be added to My Cart and you can purchase the course later. If you want to buy the course right away, click on the Buy Now option. It will take you to the payment gateway. You can choose the required option and make the payment. Once the payment is completed, you can see the payment is successful pop-up on your screen. Now let us see the features and benefits that are available for the registered users who have purchased a course. These users can get full access to the video lessons, ebooks, practice tests, and real-time online exams corresponding to the purchased course. Additionally, the subscriber will get all the features that are available for the registered users. Now, let us see how to access the content that you have purchased. To access the course, click on Learn, and you will be able to see the list of chapters and content that are available in My Courses section. Click on the course and you will be able to access the contents. We also have a leaderboard option which will be useful for you to see the toppers for today, this week's toppers, this month's toppers, and all-time toppers. This is how you will be able to use our Eenadu ePratibha portal. Happy learning! Thank you!